So in SASS you can actually perform math in your variables or just in your SASS code. So you can, for example, say plus 4 pixels, and then you will have the exact same result as before because it's only 4 pixels. We are having the watch command in the background running, so it will automatically update. But basically you can plus or minus anything here. If you want to, you can even divide here. So this is a very simple way to do it, and you can go crazy with the math if you want to. So you can also say 40 pixels and divide by 2 or 3, and if it's divided by 2 it will of course be the same thing because it's still 20 pixels. So if we then go into CSS file, you will see nothing has changed, but if we then go in and change our variable to be divided by 3 or plus 4 or plus 3 pixels or whatever, you will be able to see there's actually a difference now. And then you'll continue having the size smaller or bigger, and that's pretty much how you can use variables in SASS. Thank you for watching this video.